In Lesson 3, we're going to be completing the construction of the underside of the table. So go ahead and select the side view or the view of the table that's on the side and select the rectangle tool. And then we want to go ahead and type in 0, 0 for the first coordinate. And then as before, we're typing in 4, 4, so we're making a square, rectangle. And we'll just go ahead and type in move and push enter and select the object, enter, and then drag it to the corner, and then simply drag each piece over. And you want to make sure that the snap is off at the bottom of your screen. Make sure that's not on. Then you want to go ahead and zoom in and try to clean this up. So just get it and make sure it's all fitting. So do one side and then do the other. This isn't actually too bad. So then once you get this done, we're going to want to go ahead and extrude it. So type in extrude, push enter, select the object, press enter, and then we want to go minus 0.75 and press enter. And then let's go ahead and from the views and go to the top and look at it. And then we're going to want to go ahead and move that piece that we just built. So select it, press enter, and then grab it where you see that triangle and move it to the center on the other triangle. And make sure that snap is off. And then let's go ahead and mirror this. We could mirror both of these at the same time, or let's go ahead and just mirror one and press enter, and then select the side horizontally. Let's do that again. We don't want to delete it, so press N. It's actually better to do these one at a time. So we'll go ahead and type in mirror again and select the object. This time go from the top and then down on the bottom. Look at perspective mode, and this is in view styles. You should always inspect your object in 3D just to make sure it's working. And this is the 3D orbit, and you can right click on the perspective. This makes it look a little bit more real. And you've essentially built the table. For lesson 4, we're going to be adding a grommet to this work surface of the table. So go ahead and select the properties. First thing we're going to do is change the color. So go down to select color, and you can really much select any color you want, but you should do it in a wood colored, which is 22. Now everything is in a brown mode. And look at the color. Let's go to the top view and let's make sure that we have the 2D wireframe, and go to the rectangle, and again we're going to go ahead, and this time we don't have to type it in, we just have a 4x4. Go to the center and we're going to make a circle, and the diameter we're going to press in is going to be 1.25. Then go ahead and type in extrude, push enter, select the circle, press enter, and then we're going to make it 1.5 inches thick. And then let's look at it in a side view just to make sure that it was there. Now once it's there, if it's covering the table, type in subtract, and what we want to do is we want to select the table work surface and press enter, and then select the circle and press enter, and then we can delete that other piece. Now if we look at it with a shaded view, we've actually just put a hole in the work surface. So inspect it. You can look at it in perspective if you need to, and you should have a hole completed in the top of your work surface.